Hello everyone and welcome back to English by Nisa. In this video we are going to discuss Degree 4th Semester New Syllabus Regular Examination 2024 English Model Paper prescribed by OSMANIA University. So you all know that the paper would have two parts, Part A and Part B. And time allocated would be 3 hours. Under Part A you're supposed to answer any 4 of the following question. Out of 6 question you would get 6 question under Part A. So you need to answer any 4. For each you will get 5 marks. As you can see here, each question having 5 more questions. So if you write this 5 question, you'll get 4 marks. That altogether 20 marks if you attempt 4 questions. So before starting this paper pattern, let us see what are the important topics that you need to learn for your exams and what are unnecessary topics that you can leave. So here, as you can see, this is your new 4th semester syllabus of English. In each unit you have pronunciation topics. So for your exam point of view, these all 3 pronunciation topics are important. So you must learn these all. I have already uploaded all the videos. You can go through the playlist. There you'll find this all the videos, or else the link I'm providing under the description box of this video. You have 3 playlists, one for prose and poems in both the languages Hindi as well as English, and one for all textbook exercises, and one playlist for explanation of those topics. So here consonant clusters, first of all you need to learn this all consonant cluster that I have explained in detail. So in previous videos I have already explained consonant clusters, what are consonant cluster, how many types of consonant clusters, and how you need to write in your exam the consonant clusters, and also textbook exercises that would be helpful for you to do in your exam. And also plural ending, these all are important, so you must learn all these 3 topics. Now next move to vocabulary. Again you have vocabulary in 3 units: idiom, phrasal verbs, and technical vocabulary. Now you'll get two questions from these all. So idioms also you'll get 2 questions. So you must watch the videos. I have already uploaded idioms. I have already uploaded. You can go through the playlist, or I'll provide the link under the description box of this video. Idiom, whatever exercises you have in your textbook, apart from that, whatever they have given idioms, additional idioms in your reader, that also you should learn for your exam point of view. That's important. Now let's move to phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are also very important. You would get 2 or 3 questions from phrasal verbs in your exam. Phrasal verbs, there are 2 videos of phrasal verbs. One is explanation of the phrasal verbs in detail, what are phrasal verbs and all, and also textbook exercises which you have in your English textbook. Now technical vocabulary, you would get 2 questions from this technical vocabulary, where no need to by heart this technical vocabulary. Generally you can write in your own words. Just go through that once. So what you need to do, they will give you one question, means one word. So you need to write, like suppose they would give any word. So they would give any word of this technical vocabulary. Either they'll ask you to write the general meaning of this technical vocabulary, or else you need to write the technical meaning of this word. Now let's move to this grammar. So I have already uploaded these all videos, so you can go to the playlist, or I'll provide the link. Now grammar, degree of comparison, this video I have to upload. I will upload soon, and this voice also I will upload soon. So this is also important for your exam point of view. You will get 2 questions from each. So reported speech I have already uploaded. There are 4 videos of reported speech. In 3 videos you have explanation of this reported speech, where I have explained all the rules that how you need to change that direct speech to indirect speech. You must watch those videos, then only you will be able to solve your exams question. So reported speech exercise is also there. You can watch that video too. This I have uploaded. This too I will upload soon. Let us see the next part, speaking. In all the 3 units you have speaking, but for your exam point of view it's not important, but you would get this in 1 mark question. Like jam, they would ask you the definition of jam, or they can ask you what is the importance of jam session. So only 2 questions are possible from this topic, that would ask in 1 mark. Now next move to direction. Direction, they may ask you direction. So direction also they'll give you certain situation, and they'll ask you to write a dialogue. See, so here picture description, there are 20% chances that you would get this picture description in your exam. So here also no need to learn this picture description. Whatever question you would get in your exam, what you need to do, just see the picture carefully, and whatever you are observing in the picture, write down in a paragraph. Now let's move to the writing. So here memo writing I have already uploaded in detail. You can go through the playlist, or else I'll provide the link. So first you can get two questions from this topic. Either they would ask you what is memo and when to write the memo, or else the difference between letter and memo, or else they would give you one question and they'll ask you to draft a memo. So you have to draft a memo. So I have explained in detail that how you need to draft a memo. You can watch that video. Now let's Prezi. Prezi writing is nothing but here it is a shortened form of a paragraph or any article. So here whatever paragraph they would give you in exam, you need to make a shortened version of it. So Prezi writing is also important. Here also you can get it in 1 mark question, what is Prezi writing, or else they would give you a summary and they'll ask you to make a Prezi writing. That means you need to make a short version of that Prezi writing. So it is also important. You can go through the playlist. There I have uploaded all these videos. Now information transfer, here also you have 50% chances that you would get this information transfer. I have already uploaded the video. You can go through that. All the videos I have uploaded except this degree of comparison and void, that I will upload soon. Let's solve this paper pattern. As I told you, you have two part A and part B. So first you should do part B in your exam, then afterwards you can do part A, because it would take lots of time if you start part A, because this time your grammar is tricky, you would spend more time on it. So you should do part B first. So here answer as directed. So here as I told you, you need to answer any 4 of the following question out of 6. So you would get 5 marks for each question. If you do 4, you would get 20 marks. Now the first question is answer as directed. Here write down the 3 words of the consonant cluster occur in the initial position. I have already uploaded the videos on consonant cluster. There are 2 videos, what are consonant clusters and how many types of consonant clusters, and one more video that you have in your textbook exercises. So you can watch those videos. So what you need to do, exam they would give you any consonant cluster and they would ask you to write this consonant clusters word which occur at the initial position or the final position. So simply you need to write the words, means the sound of BR at initial position, means like you can write here the brain, BR is coming, BR sound is coming at initial position. Brain, bright, or bridge you can write, or bring you can write. Now next one is marsh. Identify the phonemic plural ending of marsh. So what you need to do, first of all you need to write the phonemic transcription of this marsh. Then you need to identify the plural endings. So this also I have explained in detail. You can go through the playlist. You would find 2 videos of these plural endings. So here how you need to write the endings, that also I have explained in detail. So this is marsh, it is ending on sha, that means you need to add iz to it to make it plural, marshes. The next one is transcribe the past tense ending of watch. So here also you need to write the phonemic symbol of this and you need to add the past ending, like you have here what. Here write the cha symbol, watch, then you need to add t, watched. Now the next question is a way. Transcribe past tense ending. Here simply you need to add I because it's a diphthong, which is way. A sound is giving here. Now next one is bus. Write the plural ending of the word bus. Again you need to write first of all phonemic symbol of this bus. Then you need to add its ending. It's IZ, buses. So in this way you need to solve in your answer booklet. Directly you can write answers. So if you do this 5 question, you would get 5 marks. For this one question, if you do 4 question, you would get 20 marks. You would get 20 marks. Now let's move to second question. Now here the second question, again answer as directed. I need new shoes but the one I want will dash. So here you need to use the idiom in the same way you would get in exam. You won't get the same question but the pattern would be same. So here you need to write a suitable idiom. I need new shoe but the ones I want will dash, means the ones I want will break the bank. That means something is very costly, very expensive, break the bank. Now next one, the people dash during famine, carried out, carried on, or carried away. You need to choose the suitable phrasal verb here. So I have already uploaded that video textbook exercises. You can go through that. So here the answer is carried on. That means to continue doing something in despite of difficulties. Now here culture, here is from technical vocabulary. So here you need to write the meaning of this culture. If they give you write the general meaning of this culture, you can write the general meaning. Here they did not give you, here I did not give you, so you need to write both the meanings of this culture, one general and one scientific. Next one is take over. Use the given phrasal verb in a sentence. You need to make a sentence by using this take over. Next one, use the idiom see eye to eye. See eye to eye means agree with each other. You can use any sentence like I and my sister never see eye to eye, which you have in your textbook. Or else you can see I and my sister see eye to eye. That means you agree with each other. Now let's see the next one, third answer. Few other languages in India are as widely spoken as Hindi. So this video degree of comparison I will upload soon. There I will explain you in detail that how you need to change superlative degree to comparative degree and positive degree in an easy way. Shortly I will upload that video. So here few other languages in India are as widely as spoken as Hindi. That means you need to make superlative. So we have already done in first semester how you need to do it. So Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India. Simply you need to write like this. Next one, Maharashtra is one of the largest state in the country. Now you need to use the word large. That means you need to make a positive degree. So no other state as large as Maharashtra in the country. Next one, the officer said some of the animals have been saved. Now you need to change this into indirect speech. That I have already uploaded. You can go through the playlist. There are 4 videos on this direct and indirect speech. In 3 videos, I have explained all the rules that how you need to change direct speech to indirect speech. And in one video, you have your textbook exercises. You must watch those videos, then only you can do in your exam. So now let's see how to solve this. So first of all, you need to write the officer said. Instead of this comma, you need to write that. The officer says that some of the animals, this have been, we change to had been. Had been saved. Simple. Instead of this comma, write that and remove the inverted commas. Next one, the doctor will ask her a few questions. Begin the sentence with she. Now, this question is from voice. That video surely I will upload soon. In that video, I will explain in detail that how you need to change voices, means active voice to passive voice. For that also you should learn all 12 tenses. You should be perfect in 12 tenses, then only you will be able to solve these voice questions. So here the doctor will ask her a few questions with change to. If we begin with she, then how we need to write? Here she will be asked a few questions by the doctor. Here in voice, first of all, there are 3 rules in voice. First rule is we need to change the subject and object. Object will come at subject's place and subject will come at object place. The doctor is in subject's place, but we need to change it to object place in passive voice. Like she will be asked a few questions by the doctor. The next question, find the lost document immediately. Now use found. This is also from voice topic. So here the lost document must be found immediately. Now let's see the next one here. Fourth question, answer as directed again. Dash is a condensed form of a longer document. So what is the condensed form of a longer document? That I have already explained. Précis writing, which is a shortened version of a longer summary of any book, article or anything. So here you need to write précis writing, which is a shortened or condensed form of any longer document. Précis. Next one, the man was dash than his father. Use noble. Then if you get then, this is from degree of comparison. That means you are comparing someone's quality with another one. So the man was nobler than his father. Simply you need to add R to it and write this nobler here. So if you get then, that means you need to write comparative degree. That is the second degree of comparison. Next one, a word with a meaning to cancel is dash, call off or let off. So it's from phrasal word, that means call off, that means to cancel something. A memo is also known as memorandum. So you need to write memorandum here. In this way you can get, or else they'll give you one question and they'll ask you to draft a memo. So memo is also called memorandum. Now next two question, how to write picture description. Here they would ask you a question that how you will write the picture description. So you need to write in detail that first of all you will observe the picture and you will write the minor detail and all in your own words. You can write half page is enough for 4 marks. Next one, what is pressy writing? Pressy writing, I have already uploaded these two videos. You can go through the playlist or else I'll provide the link. So in detail you can write what is pressy writing, when you need to write the pressy writing, and how you'll write the pressy writing. So you can avoid these two questions. If you do this all four, you would get 20 marks. Now let's move to part B. Now before solving this part B, let us see what are the important summaries you need to learn for this part B. Now let's see the part B. So as you people know, this is your degree 4th semester English new syllabus topics, poem and prose and additional reading. So last time you got this additional reading in 15 marks under part B, so this time also definitely you would get this additional reading in 15 marks. So you need to write 4 pages for this additional reading. So here for exam point of view, what you need to learn. So from first unit, either you can learn poem or prose. This poem Ozymandias I have explained in both the languages. You can watch those videos. And this lottery ticket also I have explained in both the languages, and also I have uploaded this additional reading, consumer often detect fake reviews. You must watch these videos. And My Last Duchess, this is a poem from second unit. Either you can learn this My Last Duchess or the Dollhouse. This both I have explained in both the languages. And Is It Okay to Kick a Robot Dog? This also I have explained. You can go through the playlist to find these all the videos. Unit you have poem Hope and prose Packing. These also I have uploaded in both the languages. You can watch these videos. Means whichever is easy for you, you can learn either poem or prose, anyone. And this additional reading, Why We Love Holiday Rituals and Tradition. So as far as your exams are concerned, so you should learn any four, poem or prose. My suggestion is you should learn Ozymandias, Lottery Ticket, Doll House, or Packing or Hope. So that four. One is Ozymandias, Lottery Ticket, Doll House, or either Hope or Packing. You can leave this My Last Duchess, or else if it's easy for you, you can write this as well. So any four you need to learn out of these six. Now additional reading, any two you need to learn out of these three. Whichever additional question you would get in exam, easily you can attempt that. So out of these three, learn any two. All the videos I have uploaded, you can go through the playlist, there you will find. Now let us move to see your paper pattern. This is part B. So here you need to answer any four of the following question in about 350 words. That means 4 pages, 2 paper full, or you can write 3.5 pages. So if you write 4 questions, you would get 60 marks. That means for each question you would get 15 marks. So here under 7th question you would get 2 question A or B. Either you can write poem or prose. So as you can see here, describe in your own word the setting of the poem and what travelers saw. That means this question is from Ozymandias. Now if you are not new to my channel, you people know that how you need to write the summaries. That means first of all, whatever question you get from Ozymandias, you need to write the one summary, one answer only. Now how you need to write that answer to get 15 marks, that I have already told you so many times. That first you need to write about the author. Let me write here about the author, or if you are writing poem, about the poet. If you are writing prose, about the author. So about the poet, 4 to 5 lines. First you need to write this about the poet, then write about the lesson. If you are writing lesson, write about the lesson. If you are writing poem, write about the poem. There you can write theme as well, include theme in about the poem. After that, write third is summary. Summary would be 1.5 page full. After that, write conclusion. Conclusion heading is must. You should write this conclusion. This is also half page. So this all together 4 topics. It would be 2 papers. That means 4 pages full, or you can write 3.5 pages. If you write in this way, you would get 15 marks definitely. So here from 7th question, you would get from first unit, Ozymandias or lottery ticket. In this 8th question, you would get questions from second unit. Here you have this, that My Last Duchess question, and second one is the Doll's House question. So either you can write this My Last Duchess poem or this prose the Doll House. In next ninth question, now here you would get questions from third unit. That means here the whole poem, or else you can write packing. Either you can learn this or learn this. Any four summaries you need to learn. After that, last question you would get two questions from additional reading. Out of those three additional reading, you should learn any two. Why does the author believe the research mentioned? This is from consumers. And this is obvious reason criticize people, damage robots is from is it okay to kick a robot dog? So you should learn any two additional readings out of three. So for additional reading also you should learn in a way which I have explained previously in the summaries, how you were writing in summaries. Like first of all you need to write about the author. So this is not poem, so you should write about the author, that I have explained in detail in the videos. You can watch those videos. You will find these all videos in my channel. So here write about the author first, 4 to 5 lines. Then afterwards write about the lesson, again 4 to 5 lines. Then summary, 1.5 page. Then conclusion, again half page. So again this is also 4 pages, 2 papers full, or else you can write 3.5 page. So because this question is also carry 15 marks, so you should write in a way how you are writing summaries, then only you can get 15 marks for these questions. So I have already uploaded all the three additional readings. You can go through the playlist, there you will find all these three additional readings. In those videos, I have explained in detail about the author, about the lesson, and also summary, and at the last I have given conclusion as well. So this is all for today's video, degree semester 4th English model paper. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more two videos, that degree of comparison and voice, that shortly I will upload. So best of luck for your exams, and thanks for watching.